You know it. Oh, so chic. You love it. How cool is that? You asked for it. Hi guys, I'm Katie Echevarria Rosen Kitchens. I'm one of the co-founders of FabFitFun, and I snuck into the office today to talk about how I curated the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. First up, we're gonna talk about FabFitFun picks. That's where our team actually chooses for you, so you still get a little bit of surprise and delight with every box. So let's get started. We have the Get Well Nail Recovery by Londontown. Many of us are not going into a nail salon as frequently. This gives you that nail salon feeling right at home. It has vitamin B and other really amazing ingredients to keep your hands and nails hydrated and looking great all winter long. We have Phase Zero Making Moves Blush. It's incredibly blendable and the color builds as you put it on. So if you want just a little bit of a pop, great, but you can keep on going to give you a really flushed, beautiful cheek look. We have Aesthetica's liquid liner. It's a high pigment liner that has a ton of staying power. So what I love is that since I wear contacts, it's really smudge proof. I'm always touching my eyes. Also great for your glam mask looks. Gotta make those eyes pop all winter long. First up, we have the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. And this is actually an incredibly ancient technique. You only use it on clean, dry skin, and it helps with drainage, exfoliation. It reduces puffiness, kind of a perfect little tool to use every morning. So the other choice are these really cute nOir jewelry, Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. And sorry, Carrie Bradshaw, but Scrunchies are back and they are here to say. You get 3 scrunchies. They're perfect if you're working out at home, if you just want to throw up your hair, when you're doing your at-home spa nights. We have a vanilla bean lip scrub from Whish, another amazing female founded brand. I don't know about you guys, but in winter, my lips get incredibly dry and chapped, and the scrub really helps to gently exfoliate and smooth your lips. It also smells delicious, and it's organic, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. We have the B2B Los Angeles Croc card case. It has tons of utility. There's pockets. There's a great little zipper. You can throw it in your purse. You are good to go. And of course, an LA-based brand. Got to bring all the love to California. We have the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish patches. You know, blemishes are not just for teenagers. They can happen all throughout your life. And this guy has great ingredients like calendula oil and tea tree oil to really help reduce redness, puffiness, and even potential scarring. Another great female founded brand, also based in LA, which we love, and they're just super fun to put on at night. Now we are getting into select choice. That's where annual members can pick between these items. And if you are a seasonal member, our team will pick for you. First up, we have this amazing set of eparé cutting boards. They're cute, they're colorful, they're fun because they actually come with little indicators of what you should use them for. Because you may not know, you're not supposed to cross-contaminate your cutting boards. So there's one for veggies, fish, chicken, and meat. We have a dry shampoo from dpHUE. This guy is great because it works on all different hair types. There's none of that chalky residue that doesn't work for darker hair. Another female founded brand. It's sulfate free, cruelty free, and just works wonders if you've worked out or you just want to extend the life of your blowout. We have the Beautaniq Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalising Eye Gels, and this is a British-based brand. We don't just look for products in our own backyard. We really do scour the globe for the world's best products. And I love that this has some really hydrating, depuffing ingredients like cucumber, rose extract, green tea, hyaluronic acid, and it comes with 5 sets of masks so you can enjoy your at-home spa nights all season long. We are headed into our next round of choices. We have these adorable workout socks from the classic brand Kate Spade, and they have little grippers on the bottom of the socks. So if you're doing yoga or Pilates, it just adds a little bit of grip and traction so that your workout is fully charged. It also has an open design for maximum breathability. Great for all of your at-home workouts. Next up, we have the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm from TULA. Like all of their products, this guy has incredible probiotics inside. It also has caffeine, aloe, blueberry to wake up and hydrate your skin and get you ready to glow. Oh, and another amazing female founded brand. We have the Muck Luxe Cabin Socks. I'm actually wearing these under the table. They're so comfy and cozy. You know, once you put them on, you're never gonna wanna take them off. They're super thick, perfect for all of your cozy nights at home. And I love the little pom-pom detail. We have Flight Mode Skincare's High Altitude Hydration Mask. This is A Beauty, so a brand from Australia, and it's packed with hyaluronic acid and Australian wild berry to keep your skin looking plumped, hydrated, soft all winter. We have a hair mask and scalp detox from Voir. I can't help but notice how gigantic it is. So it's gonna last you a really, really long time. And it has great ingredients like shea butter and argan oil, which will create this really rich hydration while also restoring the health of your scalp. We are moving into all member choices. First up, we have the ILIA Beauty Limitless Mascara. And what I love about this is that it's cruelty-free. It is filled with beeswax and shea butter so that it doesn't crumble or sort of clump. It really makes your lashes look long and luxe. Another female-founded brand, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. We have the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice palette. It's 12 gorgeous crease-proof shades. There's 2 different finishes, so depending if you like a matte look or a bit of shimmer or both, we are hooking you up. All beautiful colors, perfect for your sort of mask and above eye looks. We have the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. This is great because it has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, white willow bark. That's all really important as we are wearing our masks more often. You know, wearing masks can lead to more blemishes, and this guy is great because it removes makeup and dead skin to leave your skin clear and beautiful. Next up, we have this gorgeous maroon velvet headband from one of my all-time favorite designers, Lili Saduhi. As you guys know, I am headband obsessed, but especially during social distancing. It's great for your Zoom meetings. It hides all of the roots that I need hidden, and it's just a great pop of glam when you want to have a little bit of fun with your look. We are headed into our very first throwback. So this is another product from Dr. Brand. If you guys remember it, this is the Pore Derm Abrasion. So very much like the dermabrasion that you might get at a doctor's office, but right in the comfort of your own bathroom. It's an incredible exfoliator. It really helps with large pores and really getting rid of that unwanted dead skin to leave your face looking beautiful. We are headed into our next set of choices, and if you follow me on Instagram, chances are high that you've seen me drinking out of one of these gorgeous Lilly Pulitzer cups. I love these mugs. They're so cute. They actually come in a set of 2, perfect for all of your hot cocoa sipping, and if you are over 21, I suggest maybe just a little Kahlua on top. Next up, we have Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet from the prestige French beauty line Caudalie, best known because they really harness the power of wine. And this is actually really good for sensitive skin. It can help reduce any kind of redness that you might just be facing every day or because of a little extra mask wearing, but just a beautiful smelling moisturizer that you're gonna love. We have the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror. Yes, this guy lights up. How cool is that? If you're like me and want to get up and close with your makeup and really see what you're doing, this little lighted mirror is going to be the perfect accessory for your bathroom. Next up, we have this solid brushed scarf from Lucky Brand. And what I love is that it's huge and soft and really has this sort of blanket-like quality, perfect as the weather gets a little bit cooler, and really love this fringe detail on each side. So they say that good things come in small packages, and I gotta tell you that the Complete Eye Renewal Balm from Algenist is no exception. This little guy is a miracle worker. Love their Latina CEO, but it's wonderful for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can reduce puffiness and just very sort of soothing and nourishing. And of course, has really wonderful ingredients, harnessing the power of algae as well as cucumber, caffeine, vitamin C to really reduce the signs of aging and hydrate your skin. We have another incredible throwback for you. This one is from Murad. It's the Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion and very much has a topical filler-like effect that plumps skin and helps to reduce wrinkles, and it has great collagen amino acids to smooth and visibly rehydrate the skin. We are down to the very last choice. We have the Bombshe Sloan Champagne Flutes. You get a set of 4, perfect as we are all staying home a bit more during the holidays, but they were designed to look effortless and chic and classy, and that is exactly how I feel as I drink my champagne from them. Next up, we have this incredibly soft, cozy robe from Summer and Rose, and I wish that you guys were able to hold this right now. It's gorgeous. It's soft. It actually comes with 2 pockets and a little hood, so perfect for all of your spa nights at home. It also comes in 3 different sizes, so there's a small, medium, a large, extra large, and a plus. So we're gonna keep all of the ladies feeling cozy all winter long. We have the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer, and don't let this fool you. It is amazing in functionality. When you unzip the top pocket, there are compartments for all of your different kinds of jewelry, so both cute and functional. It actually holds a ton of product. Love another female-founded brand. Oh, so chic. We have the Rise and Shine stud earrings from, yes, legendary, iconic designer Kate Spade. And yes, you're not getting 1, but actually 2 pair of classic chic earrings, perfect for all of your Zoom meetings. Just add a little bit of shimmer and sparkle. So super excited to bring this duo to you. So next up, we have a tea seed elixir from Lolly. Really beautiful, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan beauty brand. It's actually food grade, although I do not think you should eat it when you could be slathering it all over your body. This is actually multi-use, obviously great as a serum that can also be used on your nails, hands, any dry spots that need a little love and moisture. We have an advanced teeth whitening kit from Mobile White. This was developed by the world famous leading dental expert, Dr. Dorfman. It comes with everything you need to whiten and brighten your teeth. It actually comes with 3 whitening pens along with this mouthpiece that can be plugged into your phone or into the wall and really harnesses the power of light to make your teeth look fantastic. You asked for it, you love it, and we're bringing it back. It's the UnHide Lil Marshmallow blanket. Only this time we're offering it in a brand new color. This is a gorgeous silver. If you guys missed it last year, this is your chance to try it. Or if you just want to build your UnHide collection, now is the chance. So it's a new color, but still has all of the softness and plushness of the original faux chinchilla blanket. blanket. It's so soft. It's perfect for cozying up on all of your movie nights. It was co-founded by Ellen DeGeneres, and a portion of all of the profits go towards fighting for a fur-free world. And now for the big reveal, our winter box, both beautiful and kind of matches my dress. As you guys know, we partner with a different charity every season. And this winter, we are partnering with the absolute living legend and all around delight, Katie Couric, and her nonprofit, Stand Up to Cancer. It's an organization dedicated to spreading awareness, educating the public on prevention, and helping more people who have cancer become survivors. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. And if you're not a member yet, you can sign up on FabFitFun.com. I'll see you next season. Happy holidays.